Monopoly Go max level. Hi guys, in this video we will learn more about the max level here in Monopoly Go. So all you have to do, the max level is actually just leveling up. In order for you to do that is that you actually need to complete your net worth upgrades. You can see at the bottom or at the top part of the screen, you'll be able to see that there is the 1086 level of yours. That's your net worth. In order for you to reach that is that you need to keep on building your properties until you will be able to complete that specific max level. And if you will be reaching a specific max level, you actually be rewarded to it as well. So for example, you have, or for that specific max level, you will earn 100 dices or 1000 dices as well. That could be possible as well as you go up here and level up here on Monopoly Go. So simply what you can do here is that keep on building until you collect these blue tokens right here with a letter M on it. It actually will help you reach the max level. So the more you build and upgrade your buildings, it actually will increase your net worth as well, and that will lead you to max level here on Monopoly Go. And that's basically it. That's the max level here on Monopoly Go, and that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.